Hi folks, welcome to the second episode of the Content Writing Podcast by Mithaas Services. I'm Devanshi Sharma and you're watching Mithaas Services official YouTube channel. In the second episode of the Content Writing Podcast by Mithaas Services, I'm going to talk about the difference between content writing and creative writing. A lot of people think they are the same. Are they? Let's answer in this podcast. So, content writing and creative writing are two completely different segments, okay? Understand it that creative writing is something that you do for the self. You write to express, you write to reach out to the readers. Whereas, as a content writer, you're basically a mediator between the client who's hiring you and paying you and the target audience of the client who is going to read your content. Simple examples. This book that I wrote by myself is creative writing. Heart, right? But when you're writing for a brand on social media, on articles, blogs, etc., that is content writing. Why? Because the ownership of the content is lying with the client. A simple differentiation between content and creative writing is that content writing is something that you do for someone else. The ownership of that content lies with somebody else. Whereas in creative writing, you write for the heart. Dil ki baat hai yaar. This is the basic difference between creative and content writing. When you look at creative writing, writing blogs, articles, social media posts for yourself is creative writing. Anytime you are writing all of these things for somebody else and you're getting paid for it, that is content writing. I hope that this helps you in understanding the difference between creative and content writing. And if it did help you, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon in the third episode of the Content Writing Podcast by Mithaas Services. Signing off, here is your host, Devanshi Sharma.